Are you looking for the best juicer? I have compiled a list of top 5 best juicers this year. These juicers are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. I will show each of the juicer's strengths and weaknesses. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Omega J8006 HDS Nutrition Center. Earning the highest score out of the entire group, the Omega J8006 HDS Nutrition Center is our absolute top recommendation for anyone on the hunt for a new masticating model. This appliance did extremely well in our leafy greens and soft produce juicing metrics, yielding far above average amounts of juice, even with typically difficult to juice produce like spinach or wheatgrass. It also produced extremely high-quality blended juice beverages that tasted phenomenal and had a velvety smooth texture. On top of all that, we found the Omega to be one of the easiest products to clean. However, we found the Omega J8006 HDS didn't do particularly well when it came to juicing harder produce, like sweet potatoes or beets. It still juiced them well enough but generated significantly less juice than average. This appliance also has one of the group's highest price tags, exceeding many people's budgets. Still, we feel this product is built to last and is our absolute favorite for a masticating machine. Number 2. ACOC Slow Masticating Juicer. If you're a budget shopper who loves making juice drinks with leafy greens, then we recommend checking out the ACOC Slow Masticating Juicer. This model costs quite a bit less than most of the top-tier masticating models and performs almost as well, particularly with things like spinach or kale. We liked how easy it is to clean and found it made some above-average juice cocktails as well. Unfortunately, the ACOC Slow Masticating Juicer performs similar to most masticating models, delivering lower than average juice yields with soft and hard produce compared to centrifugal models. It still juices this type of produce, it just might take a few more fruits or veggies to achieve a similar yield. All in all, this is a great bargain option if you love your green smoothies and are trying to shop with a smaller budget. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 67601A Big Mouth. Getting sticker shock from the price tag of the top models? The Hamilton Beach Big Mouth retails for a fraction of the price and does a decent juicing job. This model delivered fairly good results across our entire series of tests, yielding an average amount of juice when it came to juicing soft and hard produce, as well as leafy greens. It is also quite easy to clean and made reasonably tasty juice cocktails, earning it our endorsement. While it doesn't have the all-metal construction present on the premium models and doesn't have the most impressive juice yields, we feel that it's a solid product and is our top recommendation for anyone shopping on a tight budget. Number 4. Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite. For those that want the fanciest when it comes to kitchen appliances, look no further than the Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite. While this product couldn't quite snag one of the top spots, it came very close. In our opinion, it's easy to clean and does a great job of juicing both soft and hard produce, all while looking great. It is quite deficient, however, when it comes to juicing leafy greens, yielding far less juice from the same amount of produce than other models. It is usually significantly more expensive than many comparable appliances. Still, it is our top recommendation for those who place a premium on a stylish and sleek design and are willing to pay for it. Number 5. Black Plus Decker CJ625. If you looked at a full-size juicer and feel that it is either far too expensive or too large and you are only looking to juice citrus fruits, then we strongly recommend that you check out the Black Plus Decker CJ625. This compact appliance takes up considerably less space. It also costs a fraction of what the full-size models do, all while delivering impressive results when it comes to juicing limes, lemons, grapefruits, oranges, or any other citrus fruit you can find. It has an adjustable reamer for different size fruits, and we think it is quite easy to clean. However, we did find that this model can sometimes yield a little less juice than other citrus-only models or higher power appliances, so it might not be the best bet if you are routinely juicing large quantities of fruit at once for pitchers of juice. Despite that, we think this is the perfect option if you are shopping on a budget and are looking for a compact appliance to take your homemade cocktails to the next level, or that makes it easy to have that fresh squeezed glass of orange juice with breakfast.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.